Tacos are my favorite food. The history of tacos can be traced back to ancient Mexico, where they were a staple food for indigenous peoples. The taco has evolved over time, incorporating new ingredients and flavors. The Aztecs and Mayans are believed to have eaten corn tortillas filled with meat and vegetables. The Aztecs used tortillas as edible spoons, filling them with small fish or roasted meats. The Spanish brought new ingredients like beef, chicken, pork, and cheese. The Mexican-American taco was an adaptation of the Mexican taco that used locally available foods. Today, tacos are now available in many varieties, including soft-shell and hard-shell tacos. High-end restaurants have reimagined tacos with ingredients like truffle-infused tortillas, Wagyu beef, or lobster. Tacos and the United States. Tacos came to the United States via Mexican migrants. Tacos are now a staple in most American households. If you enjoyed this video, please click like and subscribe.